Welcome to Gist with IJ, your home of all entertainment gist and celebrity updates. Today we bring you a refreshing list of 10 Nigerian celebrities who live quietly, stay out of controversies and focus on their craft and family. These are the true definition of stars who shine without making noise. Yes. At number 1 is Chioma Chukwuka, known for her excellent acting skills. Chioma is a calm and humble actress who has managed to stay out of scandals throughout her career. At number 2 is Genevieve Nnaji, a Nollywood legend who has captured hearts for decades. Yet she lives a very private life, rarely appearing in the media. At number 3 is Ramsey Noah. Despite being one of Nollywood's finest, Ramsey avoids unnecessary publicity and keeps his family away from the spotlight. At number 4 is Nkiru Sylvanus, loved for her humility. Nkiru has remained simple and drama-free, always maintaining her peaceful personality. At number 5 is Desmond Elliot. From Nollywood star to politician, Desmond is one of the few who maintain a low-key lifestyle without social media noise. At number 6 is Kate Henshaw. Aside from her acting career, Kate is passionate about fitness and humanitarian causes, staying away from controversies. At number 7 is Stephanie Okereke-Linus, a classy actress who lives quietly with her husband and focuses on projects that impact society positively. At number 8 is Richard Mofe-Damijo, RMD, the ageless veteran actor who is admired for his maturity and wisdom with no need for drama to stay relevant. Number 9 is Queen Mokoye. Known for her simplicity, Queen keeps her personal life private while maintaining her reputation in Nollywood. Last but not the least is Chidimokeme, a respected actor who continues to shine quietly, never caught up in noise or scandals. And that's our list of Nigerian silent celebrities who are not making noise but continue to inspire us with their talent and character. So which of these celebrities do you admire the most? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Gist with IJ for more interesting updates. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss any updates from Gist with IJ. And please, if you have not accepted Jesus Christ into your life, remember he died on the cross of Calvary to save our souls. He is coming again and very soon. He loves us so much, and that is why he is calling us to repentance every day. Today is your own turn to accept him, and he will bless you real good. Remember, delay might be dangerous at times. Accept him into your life today. He will always come through for you, and it shall be well for you. May God bless you. Until next time, my people, stay focused. Bye.